Okay, you guys, I made it back into Five Below. Of course, they had the $4 cotton candy. Oh, they have A&W, Dr. Pepper, juicy watermelon, pineapple mango, cherry limeade, ooh, and rainbow, which is pretty much just like rainbow unicorn sour cotton candy. I'm very interested in the cherry limeade. I feel like that's something you should try to put in your Sonic drink. I don't know. If you try that, let me know. Okay, we got the cornhole here. You know, the grand old USA board. Little mini squishmallows. Oh, I love his little tie-dye headband. Very 70 vibes. He has a hot dog. They're bringing out tons of candy, though. Jolly Rancher ropes, Twizzler, raspberry. I didn't know they had raspberry. That's new to me. There's a clear tote. I'm not too sure if it's too big for a concert because, you know, everything has to be. Pillows. Well, some are 15, some are 7. That's 20. On the cup game, like Battleship, $20. You're looking for a beach tote. You know, prices have changed in Five Below. I'm not too sure how much these totes are. They're pretty sturdy though. I'm not too sure if they're 7 or like 10 or 15. Fans to choose from. And then on this side, you guys, we have Jessie. $6, yeah, on the Squishmallows. Oh my gosh, look at my alien guy and Zurg. I like the alien guys. Slinky dog in here. Water bottle is 7. You got Jessie. Woody on the opposite side. Okay, we have a Toy Story phone case. I know one was aliens. This one's Jessie. We have a cactus. Her rope. The phone grip with Woody. Oh, Buzz Lightyear. And look at this one. Okay, these are all $7 now. What is this? Bendy figures. Oh, that's so different. Okay, they're bringing out the blind box, the mystery one. These are 5. You want to collect the aliens on the Toy Story. Look at all the Toy Story gear. Trouble and a puzzle. I did find these bike shorts. They're going to be 7 and the striped set. So it looks like maybe you got black in here, but the striped one's kind of cute. Some sandals for the beach or outside your pool. Here's some shirts. The Coconut Grove. We have the shell. And don't forget bronze service. Your butter screen. SPF 50. Glow butter. SPF 30 in here. These are all SPF 30. This one's body cream. Tropic Touch. Sun Glow. SPF 30. Mineral Milk. Okay, everything you need to get your tan on. The Balm Shell t-shirt. One with like a little starfish. Are these in a set? This could be a cute swim cover up. You have the tube top. You know what? Oh, they're not in a set. Okay, and your pant. This is again great swimsuit cover up. Depending on where you live too, they are kind of sheer, but you could probably get away with wearing it. Like I live in the desert, where this you can wear that around. These are 5. Oh, these are 15. Okay, 15, and yeah, those are kind of cool. Oh my gosh, I missed these Disney pins over here. These little Mickey Mouse ones. You have the pretzel car land. Okay, that Winnie the Pooh one's kind of cute. Isn't he cute, Olaf? The rat and the cheese. Oh man, that's cute. These are 7. Bonjour. This one, that's kind of cute. And hair clips. There's a tumbler accessory. Get a little blanket. Here's a large box if you're taking a snack box with you to the pool or beach. The unbreakable wine glass. This is a 4-pack. Wow, 15 for that. That's crazy. You again, right? That's great. I feel like this would be fun too. If you're moving into a dorm next year or something, I think that'd be funny outside. You again. Little flower one. You want striped bowls. These are only $5. And I believe this one's like for your car, right? Or, oh, it's a picnic basket. Okay. Clear totes. Oh, right. And then Another picnic table. I believe this Hello Kitty one, she's new. She's 6 here. Okay, make yourself a fruit bowl. Look, it has all the charms in it, like dragon fruit. This one's like a cereal one. That's kind of funny. Okay, I've been finding a lot of these squishy beads. They're just like little soft beads. They have flower ones, SpongeBob, Patrick slime. Oh, there's a muffin. The pineapple. The bake shop. Oh, are these like the ones that you make mini ones? Okay. Oh, these are crochets. Okay, at first I thought it was a Lego. It's like, oh, they got the crochets. Anything new down here? Mystery Squad, Squishmallows, Crayola, Rick and Morty. There's no squishies. You guys have sold out all the squishies. I was actually in Marshall's and this mom was very upset because she went to Five Below to look for Neatos and she was very mad. I was like, okay. With this duck with this crazy hair, unicorn, watermelon, dragon. Oh my gosh, look at the frog one. That one's cute. Fresh picked. I haven't seen these, but you can collect all 7. What? That's kind of cute. Okay, that one's cute. I feel like I want this one or this one. Zodiac head. Those are 10. The regular show. I have not seen this show in forever. Okay, these are not squishy. One was open in a different location. I actually thought this would be like a squishy. They're not. They're hard plastic. But that would be kind of cool to get the flying squirrel one. No idea who... Oh, they poop. Oh, you squeeze them in the bubble. Okay. They always had that back in the day. That's not new. Love Island. We got Love Island, Fiji Punch Vanilla. This one looks like a tanning gun. Golden Spray Tan Collection. Deep Golden and Sun Kiss. And you put it in that one? Okay, I feel like you have to be careful and not make it streaky, right? Glow Girl Body Lotion. Spray and Slay. These are 15 down here. I kind of want to spray one, but I don't like doing that. If they're sealed, I don't want to ruin it. This is vanilla. All right, on this one, skip it. It smells like paint, legit paint. Now on the Fiji Punch, this one kind of reminds me of like a little bubble gum-ish and kind of like a strawberry banana smoothie. Like once you make it in the blender, like that scent. This one smells okay. It's okay. I was opening them. I'm like, okay, let me sniff it. The snack one. These are unbreakable. So Winnie the Pooh, Stitch Angel. Base drops are 5. Little hydrate cream, 7. Serum is 5. What is this one? Freeze dry. Oh my gosh, look how much you get. You used to get way more. Unless they all melted. That's crazy. That was a crazy one. Tahine bears. Those are good. Mint to be. Oh, like junior mints or something. Large Krabby Patties. You have a shark. You have the gummy frog. A gummy duck. And oh my gosh, the gummy worm. Remember back in the day they had that like big worm. Like, I don't know how long it was. Remember that worm? The gummy one? That used to sell online that was like a big and it was a trend on like YouTube.
I remember the big bear.
And the big bear, yeah. I remember we had to get that. Hey, they have lollipops. That's new for me. Oh, they have ropes. These are my favorite. Healing Handbook. Prepping 101. We have the Heartbreak Healer. Get Lost, a travel guide for anywhere. Very Important Party. Devotions for Living Joyfully. Word Search. What's Your Point? Taylor Swift. Personal trainer. Over 50 guided exercises. Okay. Okay, there's cute corn on the cob. These are markers. I thought they were erasers. They're little markers. Little toast pen. Alright, you guys, I think that's gonna do it for Five Below. Thank you so much for joining me. Please stay safe. These are glazed. I think this is a shower gel. It's like pineapple, coconut, rainbow. Please stay safe, and I will see all of you in the next one. Looks like lotion, juicy pineapple, creamy coconut. These are rings. They're lip balm rings. These are 7 now.